One Tree Expert LLC is a licensed and insured Merritt Island, Florida certified arborist. We offer honest tree services for residential and commercial properties that go above and beyond our competitors. 30 plus years of experience. When it comes to tree services, we consider ourselves to be the best in the business. As certified arborists, we have extra training that allows us to make the right decisions for your trees and your property. We offer the low prices and highest quality work in the region. We are stationed out of Merritt Island, but we work all over Brevard County. Our services include tree cutting, tree trimming, tree removal, tree pruning, stump grinding, stump removal, tree fertilization, tree health care, emergency tree services 7 days a week, and more. For more information on our tree services, please visit our website at www.onetreeexpert.com. You can also request your free quote by calling 321-499-7608.